This is what I currently use to drill my nails. I do my nails at home and this just has not been working. Just toss that aside. So I got this nail drill right here and it comes with a bunch of different things. So I'm gonna set this down right there. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It's super pink, which I personally love. Right here, you're gonna have the knob that turns it on. As you can see, it's showing you, and it's going, but it's showing you how many it is showing how many miles per hour you're going. So this is going to spin. You don't want to use it too fast, but it does go all the way up to 45. And then on the side, you have a pause button, and then you have the play button, and it also tells you what you're doing right there. And then, as you can see right here, this is going to go right in front, so that's just going to change the directions that you're going in. Not only is that the only thing it comes with these drill bits, and then you also get a ton of other drill bits. This is going to go on the side of my drill to hold the drill itself, and then it just comes with extra sanding bands. So this is detachable, so you can just take this and charge it, and you can also put this on maybe your lap, whatever. But I really like this. This is USB-C charge, so that's all you need. To switch the drill bits, all you're gonna do is twist this and it comes out, and then to put it back in, all you do, lock it back, and that's all. I really like this and I'm super excited I got this and I can't wait to use it. I'm Kinsey and I'll see you next time.